logarithmic and exponential functions. Variables x and y satisfy the equation x to the n power y squared equals c. The graph of ln y against ln x, passing through the points, find c. Okay, n and c. So first of all, the 0.31 here is not the value of x. It is actually ln x, and this is actually ln y. This is ln x, ln y. So if you want to plug into this original equation, we're going to have to find the x and the y first. So if ln x is 0.31, we just do e to the power of, e to the power of. On the left we cancel out, we have only x. On the right we have e to the power of 0.31. So we do the same thing for all the other coordinates. So we have e to the power of something, and then we can plug in to the original equation here. So the x, for the first point, the x is e to the power of 0.31, the y is e to the power of 1.21. For the second point, we use e to the power of 0.106 for x, e to the power of 0.91 for y. So now, because they are both equal to c, we can just equate the left hand side to left hand side. We get something like this in equation here. So we can now like divide both sides and multiply both sides. So we want to make everything with n on the left, so we divide both sides by this, so it goes here. And we also divide both sides by this guy, so it goes here. And then we combine, this is to the power of n, so we combine it. And this is all to the power of 2, we combine it like this. And then we can use the laws of indices. Division means we subtract the powers, so we have 0.75 minus 0.75, and here we subtract, we get minus 0.03. Well, power to a power we multiply, so we get minus 0.6. And then we again we multiply, so minus 0.75 n, and then we cancel out the e basically, so we do ln both sides, you cancel out, so we have only the power on the left equals the power on the right. And to find the n, we divide by 0.75. so actually this is an exact value. We don't need to use decimal places here, just use 0.8 is okay because this is exact. Now to find the c, we plug in this n value to one of the equations. So I'm using the first one here. So we use this equation, we plug in n equals 0.8, and then use a calculator, and we should get this number in 2 decimal places. So that's it. I'll see you again next time.